A solid conducting sphere of the radius 10 cm is enclosed by a thin metallic shell of the radius 20 cm. A charge of Q is equal to 20 microcoulomb is given to the inner sphere. Find the heat generated in the process. The inner sphere is connected to the shell by conducting wire. Now what will happen in this case? Okay, if I consider that there is an inner sphere of radius small r and there is a spherical shell, okay, of radius in this case is capital R, then all the charges from the inner sphere will go to the outer sphere, okay, to the inner part of this outer sphere, okay. So in this case we have to find out the difference of the energy stored. The energy in the first case is equal to half q square divided by c, okay, and where q is the total charge, okay, and c1 is the charge of the c1 is the capacitance of the inner sphere, and u2 will be equal to half q square divided by c2, okay, where c2 is the capacitance of the outer sphere, okay. So the heat energy produced will be equal to the difference of the energies, that is u1 minus u2, difference of the potential energy or the energy stored by the spherical capacitors, okay. This can be called as a spherical capacitor, which is equal to half q square will be common into 1 by c1 minus 1 by c2, okay. Now c for the spherical capacitor is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r, okay, it will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r. So let me substitute the values. Q over here is equal to q square is 20 microcoulomb, so q square will be equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 10, okay, into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into r1. The radius of the inner sphere is given as 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 1, and the radius of the outer sphere is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. The radius over here is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 10, 2 into 10 raised to minus 1, okay. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 10. 4 pi epsilon naught will be constant over here, okay, into it will be equal to if I substitute this value, okay, 10 is to minus 1, when it goes in the numerator it will be equal to 10 is to 1 minus it will be equal to 5, okay, minus it will be equal to 5, okay. So basically this will give me the answer 1 by 2. 4 pi epsilon naught can be substituted as 9 into 10 is to 9 into 4 into 10 is to minus 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 can be written as 10 by 2. So over here 2 and 4 will get cancelled out. This will get cancelled out. So the answer will be equal to 9 joules. This much energy will be, this is the difference of the potential energy which will be lost in form of heat.